Yes, hello guys. So today is the Sunday, and today I want to see some analysis on the BTC-USD. So let's start off with the weekly. So as we can see on the weekly, price tried to tap on this demand zone, but it liquidated it, as you can see. So this was a stop hunt. So this stop hunt was made on this demand zone, implying that price was still going up because the breakout structure is here. We have this one. This is a significant one. Then we also have this one. Yep. So this is our recent high, and now we're looking at price going up to this high. From here, just continuing with the trend. Yep. So let me first delete. So the current situation is price is bullish also, with a demand here. So since the weekly closed, so it created some imbalance. It might come to fail, something like this. But currently we want to just continue with the trend. So this is the big analysis. So let me first remove this. So dropping down to the, we currently know that you're in bullish move. So dropping down to the daily. Yep, the daily you have two imbalances, two demand zones. You have this demand zone with an imbalance, and then it also another imbalance. But you're going with the extreme one. And then this would be like more of like an inducement area, this one. So price might come and tend to fill this, and then it goes back up. But since the retracement has started, we just have to continue with the trend. So currently you're seeing just price is just moving. This is an impulse move. So price is just creating an impulse move. So we want to see that if we can get some intraday trade today. Yep. So let's drop down to the H4. So dropping down to the H4, we're having this. This is the recent breakout structure on the H4. So price has been breaking up, as you can see, breaking up. But now we know the story from the weekly and the daily. So currently price is reacting from here. So it has filled this gap. It has filled this gap, this imbalance here. You can see this imbalance. And then it is trying to continue with the trend like this to reach up to this area, as you can see. So this was the first entry here, after filling the gap, then tapping into this demand zone. But eventually we missed this, we were not on. So coming to the H1, I think this is the same scenario. Yep. So however much there is still some imbalance, but we take this as covered on the H4. As you can see, the gap was filled on the H4. So coming to the H1, price just reacted here. So price was breaking down here a bit, and then here again. So price just made a shift after making the recent low. It made a shift here, and then this was the best entry somewhere here in this candle. So you can use the M15 to see the best entry. Yep, this was the block for entry. So you can even you can use M30 for clear entry. It is also there. So price is trying to break up high, break this high. Yep, and you're waiting for something like this, something like this, and then a retracement to fill up this gap. You can see this is the gap. Sorry. This is the gap. On the M15. So on the H1, this is the gap. Yeah, this is the gap. So we are trying to see that price breaks up and then makes a retracement into this gap, filling this gap, tapping into this demand zone. Yeah, this is the M15. And then we continue up. So basically the buys would be better